Hey everyone, John here from JohnVSTech. A couple of months ago, I made a purchase decision to get myself a smartwatch. Not just any smartwatch, but a fitness tracker. Why, you ask? Well, for starters, I got tired of having to go to a watchman just to get my battery replaced. Second is that I needed something to motivate myself to work out. This is the Inspire HR by Fitbit. Now before we start, remember to press that like button and subscribe. That way you can help me grow this channel. Without further ado, let's get to it. Here's the Fitbit Inspire HR. Let's open it up. In the box you'll get the user manual, a very short charging cable, and the extra band, and of course finally the watch. I like how the stealthy look of this watch is. Now it's time to put it on. It looks very good and neat. Now that we get that unboxing out of the way, I want to talk about this thing a little bit more. Now, one of the things I like about this is the minimalistic design that it presents. This is a watch that you can take wherever you are, whether you're in the kitchen or you're in the couch chilling, or maybe you're in the shower. Oh, did I not mention that this is waterproof? Yes, you can basically take this out and go out swimming and this will still work. You can buy a different band design separately if ever you get too tired of its looks. One thing a lot of people fails to mention about this smartwatch is the optimization for the battery. What do I mean by that? 3 days ago, I intentionally left this smartwatch and I left it at 100%. And when I look at the battery percentage, it's at 90%. It does say 5 days battery life in the box, but I think you can use it for more. Again, it would really depend on how heavy you're gonna use it. The Fitbit Inspire HR borrows an almost similar design to the original Inspire smartwatches. Looking at the left side, you'll find the function button just over here. And then looking from behind, you'll find the heart rate sensor. The 3 dots over here is the charging point. Now if you press the function button once, you'll be presented with the clock information. Each press at the center will give you a different information at the bottom, from the step counts to how many calories you burned. If you press the function button longer, you'll get to the settings. And in here you'll find the battery percentage, the enable disable screen wake, and to enable disable the notification. Now in case you wanna go back again, you can press the function button once. Now if you swipe up, you'll get options from step counts to heart rate to resting heart rate. The amount of calories you burned, the amount of minutes you've been active, the amount of distance you've walked. You usually set the amount of intervals in your goal in the companion app, which we'll talk about in a bit. And in here, this is the amount of activity you've done, like running or biking. Right now it indicates sleeping, but usually this is your activity section, the amount of water intake, and lastly your weight. Let's open the Fitbit app on your smartphone. And here you'll find all the other options you usually won't get on your smartwatch, such as an update for your device. You can also swipe down to get the updated information. In here, you will also find the heart rate, intervals, your weight, water intakes, and another option for logging your meal. You'll also find the options to input this information. You can edit the face watch by going to the profile section and click on your selected device and then click on clock faces. First thing you'll see is the design of your watch once you open the clock faces. If you want to explore more options, just click on the all clocks and then download one of those presets. The other one worth looking at is the app section, which is usually just a few options available for this type of device. Now, earlier we weren't able to see the activity section, but you can still force your device to track your activity in the companion app. You'll find the options such as running, walking, and hiking available over here. Overall, I like how the companion app works well with the smartwatch. I've used a similar one in the market, and to be quite honest, I like this way better than the other one. Hi, thank you very much for watching. If you like what you see, press that like button and then subscribe. That way you can help me grow this channel, and press that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. Until then, take care. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.